You know, the first person that I ever helped naturalize was a quadriplegic man. He was a young boy when he was wrestling with some friends, got too rough, and he ended up being paralyzed. This young man had fought for years to obtain the services that he needed as a quadriplegic. Very smart young man, very capable, able to make money in different ways, but within his bounds, but was having a great difficulty obtaining the benefits that he needed of being a citizen because he was a lawful permanent resident. It was so much joy that when we did this process, we went in together, we studied, we did the application, we had him prepared, and when he went in to do his process, I was there with him. And when they finally said, congratulations, you've now passed the citizenship test. He was smiles from ear to ear. It was an amazing feeling for me, who wasn't even getting my citizenship. And then immediately, within about a half hour's time, they rolled him out and they took him out and they actually performed an oath ceremony right then and there because of his disability. I'll tell you, I've never felt anything like that. It was elation, and their family was so excited that he would be able to obtain the resources, but also the pride and joy of saying, I am part of the great experiment. I am part of the nation that I have grown up in. I am now a member, a full member of this group. That's why we selected naturalization. We want people to be able to get that same joy, have that same joy, experience it. And there are so many people who have minor obstacles that keep them. They've completed the time necessary. They have good character to move forward requirement. They've been here for enough years. They have all the requirements satisfied. But you know what? All they lack is the English language. Well, we thought we can create a system that helps people not only overcome the obstacles of the forms and the difficulty for immigration, but also to learn sufficient English in order to be able to pass the examination. That's what we're doing. That joy that people feel when they finally hold that certificate and say, I'm part of the great experiment. I'm part of this mission, this democracy. That's why we chose naturalization. I'm excited we did. Now, in the future, you'll have to stay tuned because there's more to come. But naturalization for now, we want people to feel that joy of being part of the great experiment. That's why we're starting out where we are.